welcome to all farmers. Today one special product Mrs. Prakriti have launched for fruit fly. Fruit fly is a huge damage globally for all fruits and vegetables, and farmers are literally crying. Mr. Srinivas Reddy, who has a Goa farmers of 5 acres, he requested me for since 2 months, ma'am, please come out for the female bait for the fruit fly, and I took it up very seriously and challenging, and she has done a mycoprotein from Bavaria. Bavaria is a fungus, and it's a good fungus for human beings, also for pests. She started growing them on Galeria, and she's extracting a protein from this mycoprotein from Galeria, from Bavaria fungus, that is called myco. Myco means fungus, that is mycoprotein. With the xanthan gum, we are giving it as a fruit bait for the females, and then especially female flies should require more protein because it lays more eggs. So that is the reason we made it mycoprotein in this at first time in India. I don't know in the world, because I've seen in the Google lot of data on mycoprotein is there, and then we have prepared this just a sample for him. Tomorrow after he gets good results, then I think we'll be very successful by launching this product. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
So this entomopathogenic nematodes, I bought this technology from ICAR. The nematodes can also control fruit flies. There's a lot of data which I'll share with you all about the Google link also in the description box. You can read that and come back to me regarding the